All right, guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Innovo Digital Ear Thermometer. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. The set comes with a thermometer as well as 20 disposable ear probes, which is great because it prevents cross-contamination when the thermometer is being used on different people or children, such as at the doctor's offices, hospital, or daycares. One thing that separates this thermometer from others is the accurate, reliable reading, which uses infrared technology and is able to detect even the smallest temperature differences of 0.01 degrees. So I am able to get hospital-grade accuracy at home. The thermometer is battery operated. Using the thermometer is as easy as a click of a button to be able to get fast temperature readings. The results are also color coded, so we can easily see that if it is blue, it is showing a normal temperature, but if it is red, it shows that my child has a fever. Another unique feature of this thermometer is that it is multi-purpose. I can use it as an ear thermometer to measure body temperature, and I can also use it to measure surface temperatures, which can be helpful to check for leaks behind the walls or any other purposes. And if you are keeping track of multiple temperature readings, this thermometer can also help with that because it has the capability of saving up to 30 previous readings, and I can easily click the button to pull up previous measurements. I only used it a few times so far, but it has worked pretty good. If you are looking for an accurate digital thermometer that is easy to use either for yourself, at home, public settings, or to give as a gift, be sure to take a look at this.